In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on TradingView, a powerful tool for tracking market changes efficiently. First, let's head to the S&P 500 index chart on TradingView by navigating to their website. Once you're there, search for the S&P 500 using the search bar feature. By accessing this particular chart, you open up numerous insights, including a real-time view of market trends that are crucial for timely decision-making. Next, we need to find the Alert section. On the TradingView interface, look for the Alerts option, usually represented by a small bell icon. It might be nestled among the various icons on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking it opens up a menu where all your alert operations are housed. This is your gateway to keeping up with critical price movements and other market alerts. Now, let's dive deeper by clicking on the option to open the chart. This step allows you to interact directly with the graph, where you can zoom into specific timeframes or apply technical indicators as needed. Having access to the chart lets you tailor your alerts precisely where you want them on the graph, which is crucial for meeting your specific trading strategies. Once your chart is open, proceed to create an alert. Within the chart view, there will be a button or drop-down indicating Create Alert. Click on it to start the configuration process. Here you can specify what conditions trigger your alerts, such as price levels or specific indicators crossing each other. When setting up your alert, you'll be asked whether you want it to notify you every time or just once when the condition is met. Deciding between these options is dependent on your trading approach. For those who need continuous monitoring, opt for an alert every time. Otherwise, a one-time notification might suffice. Let's customize your notifications. After defining the alert conditions, you might want to personalize the alert message. This can include adding specific details or reminders connected to the alert. Subsequently, navigate to the notification settings where you can specify how alerts are delivered. You can choose to get notified via app, email, or desktop alerts based on your preference and availability. For more advanced users, the option to insert a webhook URL is available. By entering a webhook link, you can integrate your alerts with other software or services. This setup is particularly handy for automated trading systems or sending alerts to a broader communication platform, enhancing your trading toolkit through automation. Finally, click on Create to complete the setup. Once confirmed, TradingView actively monitors your conditions and sends notifications as configured, keeping you informed and ready to respond to market changes promptly. By the end of this walkthrough, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up and manage alerts in TradingView, a vital step towards optimizing your trading performance. Happy trading!